Alright, so in this video, I'm going to rank the top business banking apps in 2025, the ones with the best features for founders, and also point out which ones might not really be worth your time. Think of this as a tier list of the most well-known business banking options right now. We're going to look at Relay, Mercury, Lili, Bluevine, and Novo. By the end, you'll know which one is right for your business depending on your stage and style. And if you're new here, I'm Erin. People call me your money friend. I like breaking the stuff down in a way that's clear and easy to follow. Personal story. When I started freelancing, I made the rookie mistake of using my personal account for everything. Client payments came in, rent, and Uber Eats went out. And by tax season, I had no idea which was which. My accountant asked, was this $40 sushi dinner a business expense or just you craving sushi? And I couldn't answer. That's when I realized it wasn't about how much I was making, it was about keeping my money organized. Switching to a real business banking app completely changed that. I could separate taxes, bills, and income. It wasn't glamorous, but it was life-saving when tax season hit. What these apps actually are. Relay, Mercury, Lili, Bluevine, and Novo aren't traditional banks with lobbies, pens on chains, and paper forms. They're what people call fintechs, which just means tech-first banks. They focused on mobile apps and automation instead of branches. But don't worry, your money is still safe. Some of these are backed by FDIC insurance through their partner banks, meaning deposits are protected up to $250,000. So think of them like upgrading from a flip phone to a smartphone. Still a phone, just a whole lot smarter. Relay. Relay is perfect for anyone who likes being organized or for teams. You can open up to 20 accounts under one business. Think of them like digital envelopes, one for taxes, one for payroll, one for bills. You can also give out debit cards to employees or contractors and set custom spending limits. Your VA can buy office supplies but not touch the entire account. On top of that, Relay integrates with QuickBooks and Xero, so your books update automatically. It supports ACH, checks, and wires. The big draw is being able to keep everything clean and separated without minimum or surprise fees. The one limitation, Relay is digital only, so if your business handles a lot of cash deposits, this isn't a fit. Before I get into pricing, grab the link in the description. It's free to sign up and help support the channel. Alright, so before we go into pricing for Relay, for this one, Relay is a financial tech company, but it is not a FDIC insured bank, so just a disclaimer out there. However, for their pricing plan, Relay has a free plan for starters. It's for solopreneurs and businesses just getting started. It is free and business banking essentials are included with simple tools to give you that complete cash flow clarity. For banking, it's a 0.97% APY on savings account, 1% cash back on credit cards, and bills and expenses such as bill creation, intake and management, customizable cards with built-in spend policies, receipt collection and storage, and with invoicing, it has ACH debit plus 1% of transaction amount, payment request links, and invoice creation and tracking. Plus, you get the assistance of accounting integrations with QuickBooks and Xero. There is also the Grow plan and a Scale plan. Grow plan is more for teams with growing cash flow complexities. For $30 a month, you can try it out for 2 weeks. There's also a Scale option for larger teams that want to scale more and a lot faster. It is $90 a month, but you get AI-powered automation and insights to help you save time and max out your margins. Again, you can try this out for 2 weeks. All right, now let's get into Mercury. Mercury is made for startups. If you're raising money or keeping large balances, Mercury feels like it was built just for you. The headline, no monthly fees, no minimums, no overdrafts, ACHs and debit card transactions are free, and USD wires are free too. If you've got idle cash, you can use Mercury Treasure to park it in government securities and earn yield instead of letting it all sit. Mercury also includes tools like bill pay, invoicing, API access, and multiple users with custom permissions. It's really designed for startups that want automation and control. The main drawback, it doesn't handle cash deposits, and very advanced workflows might need a paid tier. Check it out using my link down below. You can sign up for free and look around the dashboard yourself. The only charges are for some international wires, $20 or premium services. For most startups, Mercury feels basically free to use. Lili. Lili is built for freelancers and solo founders who don't have accountants running the show. Every time you swipe, the app asks if it's business or personal, which makes your bookkeeping painless. It also sets aside tax money automatically so you're not blindsided in April. Lili combines banking, expense tracking, and tax tools all in one place. The free plan works for basics, but Lili Pro at $9 a month unlocks faster payments, overdraft protection, stronger expense categorization, and other perks. It's great if you want simplicity and automation, but not built for big teams or complex workflows. Before we hit pricing, grab the link below. It's free to start and you'll see right away how simple it makes things. Free plan or Lili Pro at $9 a month. Pro adds faster payments, overdraft protection, and stronger expense tracking. Like Spotify, free works, but Pro makes it smoother. Bluevine. Bluevine is all about high interest. Let me break that down because a lot of people hear interest and tune out. Normally, when you park your money in a regular business checking account at a big bank, it just sits there doing nothing. If you had $10,000 sitting for a year, most banks would give you about $1. Seriously, with Bluevine, your money actually earns money just for sitting there. That's what high interest means. Your balance grows without you doing a thing. For example, if you had $10,000 in Bluevine's standard plan earning 1.3% APY, after a year, you'd have around $130 instead of $1. Scale that up to $100K and now you're taking over $1,000 of free money. That's the difference. They also include free bill pay and you can cut checks right from the app. For founders who want interest plus simple payments, Bluevine is strong. You can test it yourself with the link down below. It is super fast to set up. On screen, you can see there is a standard plan, a plus plan, and a premier plan. For the standard plan, you get 1.3% APY on balances up to $250,000, up to 5 sub accounts. This one does come with FDIC insurance up to $3 million, free standard ACH and unlimited transactions, ACH debit block, unlimited invoices and payment links, and access to treasury services with 50,000 checking balance. And it's $0 a month. That's the free plan. For the plus plan, you do get 20% off of most standard payment fees. You get 10 sub accounts instead of 5, and you get 2.4% APY instead of 1.3%, and then a 6 months free 0 subscription if you wanted to try that out. And for Premier, you do get 3.5% APY up to $3 million instead of 2.4% APY up to $250,000. You get 50% off of most standard payment fees, up to 20 sub accounts, so double of the plus version, and you also get everything else that comes with the plus version for $95 a month, or try it out for free. So the way I look at it, if you're just starting, standard is going to be perfect. If you've built some traction and need to separate money more cleanly, plus makes sense. And if you're running a larger team with bigger balances, Premier is like your VIP lane where your money actually works for you instead of sitting flat. Novo. Novo is great for small business owners and e-commerce founders. It integrates smoothly with Shopify, Stripe, Amazon, and QuickBooks. It's basically made for people running an online business. They also offer instant refunds on ATM fees and easy invoicing directly inside of the app. What makes Novo stand out is the focus on speed. Account approvals are quick and moving money around is frictionless. Plus, the dashboard is super clean and beginner friendly. You don't need to be a finance nerd to understand what's going on. On screen, you'll see their comparison chart. Monthly fees is $0. Minimum balance is $0. Overdraft fees is $0. You get free ACH transfers, free mobile check deposits, and invoicing and budgeting tools built in. You also get AI-powered bookkeeping, partner discounts, discounts and FDI insurance up to $250,000 through Middlesex Federal Savings. You also get AI-powered bookkeeping, partner discounts, and FDIC insurance up to $250,000 through Federal Savings. They even throw in perks like Stripe credits and discounts with business tools. Compared to traditional banking charging $15 to $20 per month with high overdraft fees, Novo feels refreshingly straightforward. It's like having a banking app that's designed for how online businesses actually work, lightweight, flexible, and not constantly nickel and diming you. So which one is right for you? Relay is best for teams and organized founders. Mercury is best for startups and venture-backed companies. Lili is best for freelancers and solo founders. Bluevine is best for high balances and earning interest. Novo is best for e-commerce and online business owners. At the end of the day, the best app is the one that makes your business money easier to handle. Founders make a few pitfalls I see all the time: mixing personal and business money, which is messy and unprofessional, obsessing over tiny APY differences instead of focusing on cash flow, ignoring the fine print like wire fees, skipping automation features that save you hours. Avoid these and your banking app won't just hold money, it'll help you actually run your business smoother. So those are the top 5 business banking apps in 2025. My advice: don't get stuck in analysis mode. Pick the one that fits your current stage. Again, you can always switch as your business grows. That's it for me, Erin, your money friend. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.